दादी आमचं इन्स्पेक्शन करायला एक सेकंड आता कॅन्सर म्हणजे वॉर्डर Where is Anupama getting infected? This
is, I think, cardiac surgery ward on the left, and this is oncology on the right.
This is yours.
Cardiac surgery, cardiac surgery on the workers' ward. 61.
Adrat. Jain sir. Adrat. Jain sir.
Doctor for. So how many patients have you?
No.
Doctor, what is his issue?
We do one CT scan halfway through.
They need a dedicated CT scan, but we need a PET scan.
Colon, clear of the intestine. He was on chemotherapy. He got 4 doses. We did a scan, stable disease. So now we decreased his chemo. We can take cycles more.
So how many doctors you got?
Now we have 3 senior residents and 5 junior residents. Junior residents, nothing. It's a pediatric patient. Is on treatment.
School as a
He can start going to school in 2 months' time. He's waiting. He wants to go to school. He'll be very brave because he had a lot of infections. He had tuberculosis, infection.
So when are you going to school?
In 2 months, 2 to 3 months' time.
सांग ना बोल
मराठी बोलतो
मराठी बोलतो बघ मी पण
आता स्कूलला जायला बघतो डॉक्टर होणार डॉक्टर
खूप एक्साइटेड आहे
डॉक्टर बघते तुला व्यवस्थित बघते डॉक्टर डॉक्टरचं नाव माहिती
डॉक्टरनाच विचारतो
अनुपमा डॉक्टर सांगा मग त्याला तर बरं वाटतं
भरपूर इम्प्रूव्हमेंट आहे म्हणजे इतका आता तापण आहे खरं असं फ्रेश असतं असं काही एकदम येईन आणि आपण सांगतो जाऊया आपण मॅडमला भेटूया डॉक्टरना दाखवूया अगोदर
आणि ऑल द फूड
जो इकडचं जेवण आवडतं का सांग सरांना चांगलं असतं का घरच्या घरचं असतं काय पाहिजे आवडतं का इकडचं
तो हे लिक्विड्समध्ये घेतो बाकी घराकडून आणून असं देतो आम्ही येतो ज्यूस वगैरे असंच
But the liquid actually is good, sir. What they get, no? That ragi, jowari.
They don't like the dal rice, so there should be an alternative found to dal rice.
Dal rice sabji which is there, no?
They don't
This
like.
is not Goan style, no?
So whatever they like, little tweaking because these are selective patients, they can easily tweak. Right? Do it.
Evening we get, every evening we get shira for them. So all pediatric young adults who are on very strong chemotherapy, no? Everybody gets one bowl full of shira. But for lunch and dinner, that dal rice, they just turn their face away. The liquid feeds are really nice. I taste them. I taste the ragi, I taste the jowar every few weeks. That is nice. Soup is also okay.
कोणत्या स्टँडर्डमध्ये?
Fifth.
But it's been very soy. Also a lot of food.
नाव काय?
Coke, please. नाव पूर्ण सांग.
कुठं? हां?
Old Go.
ऑल द बेस्ट.
That side,
And not only one, 2, 3. If more people should photograph, they should have at least 7 for the hospital, at least 7
But I think the tokens don't take time, right? How much time does it take to give a token? नाही एक टोकन दिवपाक कितलो वेळ लागता तुका? I think the bottleneck will be at registration. This is not a bottleneck circle. This takes seconds to generate a token. Bottleneck one is at registration and two is at seeing. Because it's X number of doctors. So many at a time. No, today morning which went up to the parking lot we were
अगं तुमका सगळ्यांना सांगता सगळ्या ऐका सांगते 3 मिनिटांमध्ये एक पेशंट उपयोग ना तुमका टायपिंग टेस्ट घेऊन तुमका सिलेक्ट केला तो सगळ्या पेशंटाच्या लाईनी इतकी वाटतात तुमचे लक्ष दवरलें आनी जशी व्हिडिओ कॅमेरा हे विच इज इंटिग्रेटेड टू माय कॅमेरा माय मोबायल तुका तू बस म्हाका पळोवंक जाय थंय टायम मारता काय तो टायम वता No, and also dustbin, basic things like dustbin and all these things. एफर्ट करून
मैडम कौन सा ओपीडी चाहिए आपको?
पास करा हे सगळं फटाफट जाऊ दे समोर पेशंट किती टाइम लागतात कितना लागतं मेस नाही एक्झॅक्टली
मैडम एक उम्र कितना है आपका? हाँ? उम्र कितना है? शादी का नाम का?
फटाफट मिनिटच्या वर जाऊन
मैडम मोबाइल नंबर
माइक सिस्टम घालून जाय माइक
तो आईडिया पाठवली
फटाफट इतकं लाईन दे रे मॅडम टाइम दे फटाफट गायब रे बोल दे
सस्पेंड कर देंगे पहले सुपरविजन है
Dr. Morning. You can
Dr. Uday,
tell
on
your
this side is
proposal while you are actually like I am
That's fine. I have
ini kerja rasa boleh lah. All sampai look at this. They have created garbage within the Goa Medical College. All this should be in a dustbin.
They're studying for exams, they planning, they go
शुगर चेकिंग
क्या हुआ?
Can you get the, who's the resident, please? Yeah.
Please post angioplasty. झाले तरी बोल वाज येता पेशंट Fraj, you sit with, just talk to Trupti and then you ask doctor where you source it.
I'll get you the names which we get from our own
All the
material.
functions.
I'll give them.
Then you should. Sister, here's money. Sir. I just will do it tomorrow. Today what's the day? Wednesday. गरजेची गोष्टी आहेत लाईट सर्क्युलेशन बसतात.
This patient, for example, is scheduled for an angiogram for Wednesday.
Wednesday is today.
Yeah. So they'll call him at a particular time, he'll be on the list, and then they will. So these are a mixture of patients. Patients who were admitted for angiogram, patients who have been admitted to the hospital and typically from the ICU got transferred up here, or patients who are post-procedure now to be discharged. So everything will come in here.
From back.
Small things are very important which have to be done. Otherwise it becomes a problem. And also here, apart from senior issue.
Right now,
All okay? What is happening? Doctors are taking care of it. Rocky.
asylum interview in the old building. How are you?
You insulted that.
My wife, Seema Narwani.
Oh.
We are very she's flower, hair flower. I'm good. Thank you very much. Congratulations. Such a beautiful hospital. Downstairs, upstairs. No, congratulations to you. Very well done. Very well.
Wish you a fast recovery.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Which is the other one?
This is CVT. This is our catheter clinic now. All the
No, it will not come today.
from
This
that.
side.
We need all the more chairs, and so we need curtains.
And disposable. Use and throw.
To take more acute patients.
We have come to a consensus.
तो हो रहा है.
Which he will settle.
Yesterday I came, so you were in OT. I was operating till She had an angiogram yesterday, and then she will have an angioplasty tomorrow.
Our hospital is taking good care of you. Fantastic. All the best.
Thank you very much.
Which are the angiograms? Which are the ones?
No, they would be downstairs. Some of them
This is for
This is everything, pre, post, and all acute sections.
this is the new ward we said.
No, sir, that is across that side. This ward is.
Yes.
स्वराज हॅलो
नको नको नको. नाव काय? नाराज.
Raj. This is high dose method reset. We get good support from the lab. So we do method reset levels and then monitor the we are able to treat all our childhood leukemia with state of the art protocols because of this.
बरं दिसतं? दिसतं?
It's a happy child. These are targeted therapies. For breast cancer, they are HER2 positive. So they get protein testing and some of them get sepsis, depending on there's some high-dose method reset. First time.
You are happy with the treatment taken? You're happy with it?
Thank you so much.
All the best. I hope you recover soon. Sit. Yeah? Morning. Take it.
He also came last 2 weeks ago with a tube, very sick, not sitting, not breathing well. Now he's okay. He's
Result
walking.
है
He came walking today, no?
How you feeling? You'll be fine, don't worry. You're happy with everything?
Patients all doing very well.
So Darren, when did you come? He came today morning. Okay. Foundation one, we have to have a demo on the lab. Morning. Wake up. नाव दिलं. नाव करतात. ते आम्ही इन्चार्ज कोण लोक इथले लाईनीत किती करावे इतके फास्ट लोक लाईन आता वाढल्या रोटेशन सोड रे लोक गर्दी असताना आणि बसपाक आणि दिवपाक जरा आणि कोणा स्टाफ चार पण दोनच चलले पण हांगा गर्दी जाता तेन्ना एक्स्ट्रा काम
पीक अवर्स आणि चौकूय बसा तुम्ही पीक अवर्स
ऑर्डर तांकां हे जेन्ना लोक गर्दी वाडटा तेन्ना
रोटेशन
तुम्ही
peak hours.
तांकां डायरेक्शन दिया सरकारी नोकर ते तांकां काम करपाक सवय ना जाल्यार घरा बसया तेन्ना
सर ते सरळ सांगता 12:30 बंद
बस आता
पीक अवर्स इशू
तुम्ही येऊन बसले कोण स्टाफ आहे हे आर स्टाफ कॉल them you go and call them please इसे देने कहीं जरा आके बैठो अभी ठीक है
सहीसाठी
अगो फास्ट ट्रॅक ऑटो मोडाचे फास्ट ट्रॅक चला बेगीन चल बसे लोक असताना किती ते लोकांची लाईन तुवें लोकांक आनी कितें ना कितें रे काम धंदो बस रे
इतके लोक असतात आणि रोटेशन कसलं
Open all the 4 counters. चला begin. Dr. Uday. Sir. As you see these technical problems, you know what I'm saying? All 4 counters should be functional. चला begin. और outside जे पर्यंत ये लाइन कवर जायना हांगा आसा. Doctor खंय गेलो? 12:30. There's no rotation. From morning 8:30 to 4:30, others who is not interested in working, you send him home. Second, people should not be outside. तो कोण लोक सांगता तांकां सकाळच्या एंट्री दिया कोणाक पण नेटवर्क जाता तो करपाक दी. But from 6 o'clock in the morning or 7 o'clock, allow it to be open. But this should be open. Note should go today only. From 7 in the morning or from 6:30 in the morning, it should be open. And all pharmacists, general pharmacists, and लोग बिट्टा वगैरह कराओ. चला फटाफट. Who's the in-charge HOD for this?
फार्मसीचे आम्ही काम करतो.
Amay, सांगा नाही. Just send a note to Amay Khabat that the counter should be continuous. All the 4 counters should be open. People should not be waiting to 7 in the night. You can now note. बड़े in-charge. कितना भी दे. हाँ, सुलर है. लागले पाड वगैरे. नाव किती? अरे दिस ना एका काढा हांगाचे एका कार्ड and एका मडगांव साउथ डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल 6 महिने खातीर वचून ताका this fellow you send him to South District Hospital. Let him become efficient and come back from today itself. I want you to relieve him in the afternoon.
गर्दी असतात इथे तुम्ही बी ऑफर देतो.
ना तू चल तुला relieve ना चल तू माझ्या फुड्यान चल पयली तू वयता हांगाच्यान चलो जल्दी इधर है वो एक मिनट में नाला की है but distributed everything once the crowd should be finished in next half an hour everything should be done फटाफट करा लोक आवले आणि कसे बाबडे लोक आवले 12 1:30 जावपा गायची चल रे फटाफट shifting on and put somebody else. Come ask away somebody. No, relieve him now. Put him in house. Check कर पाक.
डॉक्टर काम
श्रीनिवास पण आम्ही आता गाडी
म्हाका सांगले तेणी आणि ते पळय स वरांचेर हांव ओपन करता 6 o'clock.
परतून जायचे पडटा आमकां बटके विना
केले सांगले फाल्यांच्या 6 वरांचेर ओपन चला अपॉइंटमेंट आणि अपॉइंटमेंट खुर्च्यो भायर घालिना खुर्च्यो भितर हांव घालता
सिस्टर No sir, this curtains issue is there. So some of the curtains actually got problem, and then we have already asked for, but the file is actually stuck up with the handicaps. There has been Ajay Gowdy is giving the files. Please and I see. They clip. Sir,
COVID was one thing. Transform everything. Everybody thought.
Sir, we'll go to 53 first.
तो सारे बरोबर हाँ
Now, this is the daycare ward, sir, of urology department, and the other side is the transplant ward, sir.
किती आहे
This ward, no sir, after 5 o'clock they shift, if a patient requires to remain, they will shift to the transplant ward. So they will keep all patients in one ward. So here there are patients on both sides.
So there are persons. That's not a bad thing.
Yeah, they get entangled and
Spoiled fast.
So please.
10 मिनिटं.
Yes, sir.
Last.
Sister,
ट्रान्सफर झाले जाऊ
here are some patients who have been prepared for it or some. Usually when the transplant patient is done, then they vacate the entire ward. Only the transplant patient will be here to reduce the injection to others. So they will all go to the other ward which we saw just now. If there is a transplant done. Waiting for
कोणी तर आमचे
transplant.
डॉक्टर सारखे कोण आहे डॉक्टर कोण खबर ना डॉक्टर हां किती जण हे सगळे आगायतले त्याचे या ऑर्डर
Yes, sir. This is transplant ward. The other ward is a urology general care ward.
ओके सगळीकडे किती झालं आहे हां हां ओके डॉक्टर पोहेत आणि बरे हां बरे किती झालं
हे घातलं माझी घातलं किडनी
हां
पहिली एक किडनी काय केली
ओके
आता दुसरी किडनी माझी घातली
आता दिसता जेव्हा बरे
डॉक्टर असं काय
हां जात नाही बरे हां
ईश्वर
हाय,
डॉक्टर
डॉक्टर.
वाचले का एकदा वाचलं मग वाचलं
वाचता येतं 24 बरे
This is the rest 8.
आता गेलं तर आणि तिथं परमिशन बी पाहिजे तर विचारा ते रवी पण
Connections are all here. So that cubicle is only dialysis. So presently the dialysis is like
कितने पेशंट येतात डायलिसिस Why only 8 when such a big ward is there?
Sir, actually now there is a main dialysis ward in 140 in the main campus. This is catering only. This is only for SSB. Plus there is a dialysis ward 140 in the main campus. Plus there are 2 more dialysis machines in the ICU ward.
इसी चलता ना
Yes, sir. We have total 4 chillers over here, of which 2 are working. One is there's a small problem which is under repair, and the major problem is on the
साठी नका नका
41 is the main ward, let's see. 42 is the female. This is the blood connection in the center. Pathology department.
इतने फास्ट
रजिस्ट्रेशन या उमेश
ब्लड
रजिस्ट्रेशन
कलेक्शन
नंबर
कितने लोग
150 तुम्ही बोलताय ना
सर लॅपटॉप
उमेश रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर सांगा
दोन हवे असतात टेक्निशियन
ब्लड आता लोक रावतात
टोटल कितने लोकांना आज नंबर दिले
दोघांमध्ये
दोन के पास ओपीडी काउंटर पे
इन्स्पेक्शन केलेले सगळे कार्डिओलॉजी पासून कॅन्सर आणि आम्ही नवे नवे जे आमचे प्रधानमंत्रीजी देशाचे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदीची एक विचारधारा की सामान्य जनतेक सगळे गोष्टी गावंक जाय एक कॉम्प्रिहेन्सिव्ह कमांड डॅशबोर्ड हेजे करपाचे विचार चल्ला आनी लोकांक जे कितें अडचण येता गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान आमची पुराय टीम आमचो डीन गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज डॉक्टर उदय काकोडकर डॉक्टर आमचे तृप्ती मने प्रजला राव गौतमी आमचे पुराय टीम आनी डॉक्टर्सांची टीम सगळे कडेन वचून चॅकींग करून पेशंटा कडेन इंटरॅक्शन करून तेंचे कितें ल्हान भुरगे बी हांगा पेशंट कॅन्सराचे दुयेंस तांकां तेंच्या आई वडिलां कडेन इंटरॅक्शन करून जे आमी सुदरू शकता सोयी गोंयचे जनतेक ते सुदरपाक म्हणून आयज इन्स्पेक्शन आशिल्लें आनी मेन म्हणजे कितें खंय अडचण लोकांक जाता ती अडचणीचो पॉयंट पेशंटा कडेन काय आमचे गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान जे कोण येतात तेंचे कडेन चर्चा केल्यार त्यो गोश्टी आमी सुदरू शकता आनी इवन आयज कर्टन्स गोवा हँडीक्राफ्ट कडेन गेले तर वर्सभर ते पेंडींग आशिल्ले म्हणून हांवें CSRचे थ्रू पूर्ण गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजचे आयज कर्टन्स प्लस बेडशीट्स आमी CSRचे अंडर घेवपाचे आमी ठरयल्ले आसा कित्याक आमी वेळ आमी काडूंक शकना कारण इतलेंच आसा कारण पडद्या सारके गोश्टीक एक वर्सां आमी लावूंक शकना ह्यो सगळ्यो गोश्टी हांवें CSRचे अंडर आतांच सांगलेले आसा आमचे ऑफिस कॉर्डिनेट करतले पूर्ण गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजीन 15 दिसां भितर ब्लायंड्स पासून सगळे बेडशीट पासून सगळे आमी फ्री ऑफ चार्ज आमी दिवपाचें हांवें ठरयल्लें आसा ह्या तरेन आमकां काम करूंक जाय गोंयचे जनतेची एक अपेक्षा आहा की गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज आनी हेल्थ सर्विसीस तेंचे खातीर आयज कितलेय पेशंटा कडेन आमी चर्चा केली ते म्हणटा डॉक्टर आमकां बरे सांबाळटात डॉक्टरांचे खातीर आमी बरे जावंक लागले आयज ह्या तरेचे एक खंय तरी एक हें येता न्ही भावना जुळलेली आसता डॉक्टरां कडेन आनी गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज कडेन आनी ते आमी बरे पैकी आनी कशी सुदरूं शकता आनी सोयी आमी कशी आमी मॉडिफाय करून आमी फुडें व्हरूंक शकता हेजेरूच आमची चर्चा चल्ल्या आनी देशाचे प्रधानमंत्रीची विचारधारा अशी आहा की प्रजेक आनी गोंय राज्यान जे सगळे आमचे सिटिजन्स आहा तांकां बरे पैकी आरोग्य सेवा गावंक जाय प्रजेच्या दारार आरोग्य सेवा व्हरपाचो एक मोहीम आमी जे चलयल्या आनी हॉस्पिटलान बरे पैकी तांकां सोयी सुविधा ते प्रधानमंत्रीजी नरेंद्र मोदीची जी विचारधारा हे इम्प्लिमेंट करपाचें काम सरकार